Discover the hidden history of Ahmedabad, bravery, breathtaking art, Gandhi's movement, and the blessings of Sufi saints. Watch the untold story of this incredible city. Ahmedabad, known as the Manchester of India, the city is not just about textiles and trade but also about bravery, art, and hidden tales. Today, we'll tell you the untold story of Ahmedabad. The year was 1426. Sultan Ahmad Shah came to the banks of the Sabarmati river. Suddenly, he saw 4 lions chasing a small rabbit. But the rabbit turned around fearlessly and scared the lions away. The Sultan said, "This land belongs to the brave." And there he founded the city Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad's pride is the Sidi Syed Jali. Built in 1573, the stunning lattice work is carved so finely into stone that it looks like it's woven with threads. Its Tree of Life design has become the symbol of Ahmedabad. In 1918, India's first organized mill workers' strike began right here. Mahatma Gandhi stood up for the rights of laborers. This moment marked the beginning of modern labor rights movements in India. In the 19th century, Ahmedabad flourished with textile mills. Its cotton fabrics traveled to England and amazed the British. That's when Ahmedabad earned the title Manchester of India. Once, there were only muddy ghats and boats here. During monsoons, the river would swell and scare the locals. In the 1960s, the dream of a riverfront began, but it came true only in 2012. Today, it's Ahmedabad's pride. During the deadly plague, when fear ruled the city, Sufi saint Sheikh Ahmad Khattu Ganj Bakhsh helped and healed the people. Even today, thousands visit his shrine Sarkhej Roza to seek blessings. This was the untold story of Ahmedabad, from the bravery of a tiny rabbit to the prayers of Sufi saints. If you like this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, because next time we'll bring you another hidden tale from history. Greater than, discover the hidden history of Ahmedabad, bravery, breathtaking art, Gandhi's movement, and the blessings of Sufi saints. Watch the untold story of this incredible city.